Good job! Praise Jesus for the strawberries.
Do you have a tissue?
No. No.
Mama or Mama?
No. Now put them in the bucket.
Hey! You're missing the bucket!
Put them in the bucket. Curious, throwing them all in the ground.
Hey, can you put them in that bucket right here? Look. Can you put them right here in the bucket? Do it all. Uh-oh, your hand got all dirty. You might have to eat that one. Looky there, it's gone. Does he like strawberries?